Here she is. I am vaguely familiar. I've seen them and Googled them online. So would you give me a quick rundown?
Okay, so this is a CT15.
Yeah, and I know generally that they don't have the T-LOC.
It has the top of the CT MIDI on it.
Okay.
So it allows you to put the sustainer.
Do you know if the workstation would lock into that? I think that locks in.
Anything that's got a sustainer.
Perfect, because that's what I want to do. I need that. I do RV repair, and I do like a niche floor repair. Like not a lot of people do the floors. They do like appliances and stuff like that.
Okay.
But I do major construction stuff. So having this would allow me to eliminate all of the dust that goes everywhere inside a small space like that.
Yeah.
I mean, if you can imagine, every nook and cranny is full of dust by the time I get done.
Turn the tool on.
And then this is
that's the
suction level.
Suction level. You can manually
turn it on and off.
And that's hard power switch.
Okay. And then the hose in here goes up to the top separator.
Yep, this is the main hose out of the back. Goes into the cyclone.
Okay.
And then out through here.
I haven't actually seen that broken down.
This is the floor kit.
Yeah, awesome. Okay.
A little dusty in there.
So that's the cyclone part.
Cyclone.
Gotcha. And then is there a filter inside there?
No, it captures it all down in here. They
spins around. Oh, the heavy stuff drops out as the loose still pulls through. Gotcha. Okay, it makes sense now in my head.
So they make bags for this. I found that they're a pain in the butt.
For
in here. So you
in here?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So you just pick the bag up and throw it away. I just dumped it out.
Let's just see.
Yeah, these pop out here.
Yeah, so you could just use any kind of plastic bag. I got office garbage bags that would fit perfect in there. Cool. I don't think there's any other.
Filter down here in the bottom, and
awesome.
And really, I get about 5 uses per bag.
What's a use for you? What do you do?
I do a lot of CNC stuff.
Okay. Guys, we got it. Okay, so this is the Festool CT15. Now, regardless of what you may think, if you are familiar with these, this is a CT15. It has been modified by its previous owner to accept the clip-on things, because he put this tool or this hose garage on there. This piece, I have that inside. I'm gonna put that back on there. But anyway, so this is the Festool CT15 dust extractor with the Cyclone large particle filter and separator and a bunch of attachments. So, why is a vacuum important? Because this is the base of what's going on. And don't mind the garage. We're currently in the process of coating the floor. I got half done a couple days ago. I just have not had time to finish. I literally get like an hour of free time to do one thing. We moved a bunch of stuff here. I still got to move a bunch more stuff over here and then do this half. But anyway, so yeah, I'm super stoked about this because this attaches to your tools. So Festool tools are special that they have this sustainer system that locks together and kind of like the pack out. And then they also have tools that are really set up to work around this system. And they also have HEPA air scrubbers and things. I'm going to be integrating that all into my RV floor repairs because dust is a huge issue when I do these jobs. And this system here is going to solve that. I don't know that anyone else doing the RV floors is doing anything like that with air scrubbers and HEPA extractor, dust extractors, but I am gonna be soon. I gotta get the tools. I've got the Workcenter coming. There is a Workcenter that it goes in this spot here. This stays where it's at. This will have to get mounted to the top of that, and then it's got a tool rack with pegboards to hang tools and things. Cool stuff. But anyway, so a lot more on this coming. You guys are gonna see a lot more of these. But I was very excited for this. I got this as a Facebook Marketplace steal. Guess how much I paid for it? If you guys know how much all of this costs individually, you may have an idea. But anyway, what do you guys think that costs for essentially a vacuum cleaner? What's up, Abu? Oh, we're pooping. Oh, we're really pushing. You're gonna pop a blood vessel if you push any harder. I can't put that on because I'm going to put the other side on still. Alright, so the little latches don't stay on very well. That's the first thing I found out. But I mean, it's still rigid enough, so I think I'm gonna run with it. I might find another way to add a screw or bolt in there somewhere just to make sure that it's solid, but for the time being, ow, oh, ow, I'm old. So what is this for? Could that be to stack another set of standards on there? Let's see. Nope. So I don't know what these are for. I'm not sure. Okay, according to, it goes over here. Oh, look at that. That's so fancy. But it only goes here, like right in the way of this thing. I couldn't design just a little bit better. I guess that'll work. I gotta take a shit.